Dear students, in yesterday's lecture, we studied the internet account and domain name along with the domain addressing. And we concluded that by having our PC to be connected on the internet in consultation with internet service provider and having an internet account on it, our PC will get a domain name having its own IP address. If our PC has almost all browsing software, and if we have the knowledge about the internet accessing, which we have studied up till now, one can use the internet for the different applications as we have studied, especially communicating with the people like email, e-teaching, e-learning, e-business, e-commerce, e-chatting, internet relay chatting, internet news. All these are the applications belongs to the communicating with the people. We can use the internet also for the web browsing, that is for getting the information for which we have the knowledge of www, its details, terminologies used for the internet accessing, and also we can connect our computer to the internet. With this all particular background, we can make use of the internet as per our requirement, as per our need is being considered. So that's what we expected to be covered under the title to be known as Internet and its applications. Dear students, that's all about your topic number 5, which is expected to be studied in paper number 16. Student friends, almost all we have completed 5 topics of paper number 16, namely modern communication. I hope you have gone through all these video lectures and you followed the aspects, the concepts which are expected to be covered in all these 5 topics in the syllabus prescribed by Ahilya Holkar, Solapur University, Solapur. We tried to complete your syllabus for semester number 6, paper number 16. If you have got any queries, if you have got any doubts, you are free to ask me at any time. You have my mail ID with you. You have mobile number for the communication. Dear students, university may going to conduct your exam also online. Maybe going to conduct the exam online. Try to keep watch on dates and timetable to be provided by the university. Regarding your practicals, regarding your journals, regarding your practical internal exam, regarding your university practical exam, you may contact with head of the department. He himself is going to explain you more better than us. Dear students, already as far as paper number 16 is considered, home assignment cum internal test is conducted by me. Almost all 28 students are submitted the home assignments cum test online or offline. Till 8 students are expected to be submit the same. Dear students, please do remember, especially for those 8 students who are not submitted the home assignment cum test for paper number 16, already the information about the same is provided on the WhatsApp group. Even those students are not caring about that. I once again request, on behalf of end of this particular syllabus, please do submit the home assignments and test online, those who are not submitted till. Otherwise, whatever the loss incurred by them due to not submission of the home assignment and also the test, the department will not be responsible as far as paper number 16 is being considered. Further, no notification is going to be given regarding paper number 16. Dear students, once again, if you got any doubts, any queries regarding your syllabus, regarding the content of your syllabus, regarding the articles taught for you through the video lectures, you feel free to ask me at any time by making use of the mobile number or by making use of the mail ID. Dear students, we don't know how much this COVID pandemic is going to last. All of us are dependent on the time. Time is the solution for each and everything. Let us wait for the time, and further decisions will be hopefully provided to you from the head of the department. Dear students, take care of you, keep social distance, don't wander here and there, avoid visiting to crowd, use mask, wash your hands regularly, so that you are going to take care of yourself, and also tell all these instructions given by the government to all your relatives and family members. Along with your study, enjoy the vacation given by the pandemic COVID-19. Think positively. Avoid thinking negatively. That will help much for you for taking care of you and your family members. Only that is in our heart, and rest is going to depend on the time, which is the solution for the future. But whatever with us, whatever in our hand, we have to take advantage of this same. Whatever is not in our hand, that is left on the time. I hope you are following what I want to suggest you. Dear students, hoping that remaining 8 students will going to submit the home assignment oblique test as early as it is possible online on my email ID offline in the department as per time provides, but compulsory it is to be submitted on my mail ID. 28 students who are submitted offline and online, their note has been taken regarding the paper number 16. But as far as remaining 8 students are there, they will be responsible for themselves. With this particular aspect, with these instructions, by wishing you best of luck for your forthcoming university examination, by wishing you best of luck for your positive thinking, as far as semester 6 is being considered, almost all we are going to stop here only. By expecting your doubts, by expecting your queries, you are free to communicate with me at any time. Regarding projects, guides are allotted to you. Keep in touch with the respective guides and they will guide you regarding the project. Student friends, with this, once again, wishing you best of luck for everything for the future. We'll stop here only.